Congrats, we are now halfway through the wholesale process. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. This video is going to focus on starting the negotiations, aka lowballing them for the work. This is the 8th step in our wholesale process. If you missed the previous 7 videos, make sure you check them out so you can catch up. If you're newer to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. Starting negotiations is an important step in wholesaling. This is the part where you get to try and get a good deal on the home. By the time you're ready to enter negotiations with the plug, aka the seller of the home, you should know how much you can offer for the home. If you missed our last video on the formula to calculate a max offer for the home, make sure you go back and watch it. In our last video, we did an example where we find a house with an after repair value of $200,000. We multiplied it times the investor discount rate of 60% or 0.60. and subtracted the estimated repair cost of $20K and the assignment fee, which we decided was $10K. Our max offer totaled out at $90,000, but this is not the number we want to use when we start negotiations. We want to start negotiations 10 to 20% lower. This gives us room to make more money. In our formula for the max offer, we chose a $10K assignment fee, which is the minimum we are willing to make. If we can get the seller to sell us the house for 20% lower, the price of our assignment fee increases. For example, if our maximum offer is $90K on a house, we want to times that by 20% or 0.20, which gives us $18,000. This subtract the $18,000 from the $90,000, and that gives us $72,000. So our first offer in negotiations will be $72,000. This in turn increases our assignment fee to $28K instead of $10K, if they accept. Let's use a real life example. Say talking to the plug and he tells you, I got pounds for $3,000. You know you could turn this pound into $6,000 for a $3,500 profit if you can get it for a maximum offer of $2,500. Instead of offering $2,500 off the back, we decide to offer 20% lower and tell the plug we got $2,000 for the pound. If the plug accepts, we make $4,000 instead of the $3,500 profit. The negotiation process starts as soon as you know the property data, which includes how much they want for the house. You want to build a relationship with the motivated seller and be empathetic to their situation. I know some of y'all hard body ass goons, but y'all got to learn how to feel for people. This will help you during the negotiations because they will be more comfortable with selling you the property. In our next video, we will be showing you how to set up an appointment and everything you need to do once you get there. So let's recap. Starting negotiations is a very important step in the real estate process. Negotiations typically start after you have the property data info from the seller and you have done the calculation to come up with a maximum offer. When starting negotiations, you want to start your offer by lowering the max offer by 10 to 20%. For example, if the max offer is $90K and we start at 20% lower, we take the $90,000 and times it by 20% or 0.20. This makes our initial offer of $78K. If the seller accepts and we started with an initial assignment fee of $10K, this assignment fee will grow by $18K to become $28K, meaning we make more money. Empathy is necessary when building a relationship with the seller over the phone. Remember to make them comfortable so they are more willing to sell you the house. Do you get nervous when trying to start negotiations when it comes to anything in life? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will show you how to set an appointment, aka meet the plug. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.